All right, great information. Thanks, Bill. On the other end of these service industry jobs are new technology green opportunities. And area colleges and universities are actively trying to jump on board there by taking work they're already doing and making it more relevant and accessible to those working on environmental issues. This week, next, we'll show you a couple of examples, starting this week at the University of Delaware. Last October, with the help of a grant from the National Science Foundation, the University of Delaware launched the Delaware Environmental, or DENIN.
It's a great time because environmental issues are something we're facing not only in the state but in the nation and the world. We felt that the university is in a position where we can really help the state and the region in terms of economic development, in terms of addressing some of these important problems.
And Sparks believes research is a big part of the equation.
We've been working on some of these areas for a number of years, and so we felt the time was ripe to try to take some of the results that we're generating, as those we'll generate in the future, and then use those to try to address some of these important issues.
In Delaware, climate change and its impact on waterways is one such issue.
Probably the biggest effect of climate change we're going to have is sea level rise. That certainly caused a lot of problems. Every time we do have a nor'easter comes up the coast, we have coastal flooding issues, we have tropical systems like hurricanes, tropical storms. That causes a problem. The other problem, though, that goes along with that is development. When we do have a storm, there's a lot more infrastructure to be destroyed.
The issue isn't limited to the coast. Remember the flooding in Newcastle County's Glenville area?
Our department actually looked at those big rainfall events, but in the context of the development that's taken place again in Newcastle County. And what you find is that, okay, you had some big rainfall events that would have caused floods 50 years ago or 80 years ago, but not nearly the magnitude of floods that you get now.
Information the state is interested in.
Hopefully this can help bring that together in a way that we can actually start doing adaptation planning for the state based on the best science and the best research.
But now that research will be presented in a more focused, coherent way.
It's interdisciplinary work. And being able to work with other scientists in areas that you don't understand but they do, you can really put things together into a much better coherent picture, understand the big picture much better than we used to.
Even within our own university, sometimes we don't know faculty or colleagues that are working on certain things, and certainly in the state, you know, with other institutions. So I think, yes, it's been quite a learning experience for us that we can better communicate with each other, we better understand what each other's doing, and that will make us much more effective, I think, in conducting the research.
A lot of the research is going on anyway, and so figuring out how to make it more applied research that we can use to inform our policy decisions because of that, as opposed to trying to have the state hire outside consultants or other entities that are trying to get up to speed, we can really build on the expertise that's already here and make that much more cost effective.
UD is investing in this endeavor. By 2013, it will build a new interdisciplinary engineering lab to house DENIN and the university's Energy Institute. It also has an environmental portal now on its school website. School officials believe DENIN benefits the university by attracting better faculty and students, making graduates more marketable by preparing them for the growing interdisciplinary demands of their work, and perhaps earning the school more grants. Now,